In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my top 8 investment applications in Nigeria. It is worth noting that most of the applications on this list, I'm either using them now or have made use of them in the past. So be rest assured that I am recommending these applications based off my own personal experience. By the way, do well to smash the like button so more people can get to see this video, and if you're interested in content related to business and personal finance, do well to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And without much talk, let us dive right into today's video. Let's go. Starting the video at number 8, we have Chaka. Chaka is an investment app that allows you to invest in the stocks of many companies located in different parts of the world. Many people have asked me if it's possible to invest in the stock of companies located in other African countries from Nigeria. Well, this used to be difficult before, but with Chaka, you can now invest in the stocks of companies in other African nations like South Africa and Zimbabwe. For those of you who might be interested in using the Chaka application or other apps I'll be listing in this video, my referral link and code will be in the description, and I would appreciate if you make use of it in signing up or downloading the application. Well, that's just by the way. If this is your first time on the Chaka application, you most likely need to verify your identity, and this will take less than 10 minutes of your time. Once you have done this, the next step is to fund the Chaka application, and you do this by visiting the wallet section of the application. Then you click on the place that says Fund Global on the top. Make sure that's the Fund Global section. Then you click on Fund Your Wallet. Then you click on Start with a Deposit. Then you put in the amount. Let me say I want to fund my account with around $100, so I put in $100. Click on the place that says Fund Your Wallet. Then I can either fund it through instant naira to dollars, which is through bank transfer, or I can fund it through making a transfer to a domiciliary account or through interswitch. For a faster process, I will click on the place that says interswitch, and then it will take me to an interswitch page where I can now use to fund my Chaka application using my debit or stroke credit card, or even my Valve card. Then it will now take you to a page which you can then use to fund your Chaka application using your debit or credit card. Once you have funded your wallet, you click on this place that says Portfolio. Then you click on the part that says Global. Click on the search button at the top there. Select the country where you want to buy company shares. Let me say I want to buy a company share in South Africa. I click on South Africa. Then look for the company in South Africa I want to buy into. And I click on it. I click on this one that says Anglo Gold Ashanti Limited, and then click on the buy button, and I'm ready to start buying shares in South Africa. Next up, we have ComX. Many Nigerians don't know this, but you can actually invest in the rise and fall of commodities like palm oil and cocoa, and ComX is an application that allows you to do this from the comfort of your home and with the tap of a button. When it comes to investing using the ComX application, you want to be very strategic. For example, if you want to invest in a commodity like palm oil, you want to buy into it during the time when it is surplus. On the ComX application, most likely the price is going to be down, so that's when you want to buy into the palm oil commodity. And then during the time of the year when it is scarce and the price has skyrocketed, that's when you want to now start selling your ComX palm oil commodity, and that's when you most likely be in profit. Like I said, you need to be very strategic. You need to time the market properly if you want to benefit or make money from trading commodities right here in Nigeria. Earlier this year, one Bitcoin was trading just below $20,000, but right now it is trading above $36,000, meaning if you had invested in Bitcoin earlier this year with around 1 million naira, your money would have most likely doubled. As most of you already know, Binance is an application for buying and selling cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. Personally, when it comes to investing in the crypto market or even receiving international payments, Binance is one of my go-to applications. I'll be making a more in-depth video in the future on how to use Binance step by step. So you like to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when that video is dropped. MySquare Roof is an application that allows you to invest in the real estate market in Nigeria with as little as 10,000 naira. This particular app is one of those hidden gems in the country. Now, apart from using MySquare Roof to invest in the real estate market, why I love MySquare Roof is that it gives you the opportunity to also save towards your next rent. Also, for example, if you are looking to get a loan to pay your rent, MySquare Roof also gives you that opportunity to get this loan. BitGo is another application that I use to invest in the crypto market. You see, when it comes to investing in the crypto market, you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. For example, the CEO of Binance was recently accused of fraudulent activities and was made to resign. What if because of this, Binance had shut down? It means that most likely it would have been difficult for you to withdraw your money. We have already seen the likes of FTX shut down and many people lose their money. So this is one of the many reasons you want to consider having multiple crypto exchange accounts. BitGo is an application I personally use, and I would recommend to any Nigerian to use, or to anyone I know to use, because they are very reliable. The interface of their app is very easy to understand, and Lionel Messi, who is the second GOAT after Cristiano Ronaldo, is an ambassador for the company. If you would be interested in downloading the BitGo application, link would be in the comment section or description. Risevest is a digital wealth management platform that allows Africans to invest in dollarized assets. So unlike other platforms that allow you to pick the particular asset you want to invest in, Risevest have experts who have done the research and have bundled all these assets into different categories. All you have to do is buy into any of these categories and you earn why they earn, you lose why you lose as well. Now, if you are still confused, here is what I mean. Let me say you are interested in investing in the stock market and you don't know which particular stock to buy. All you can simply do is to sign up on the Risevest application, verify your identity, fund your accounts or your wallet, then you can buy into Risevest stock, meaning you are investing in the stocks in Risevest portfolio. According to Risevest, their stock portfolio have historically returned 14% per annum, while real estate have returned around 12 to 15% per annum. When it comes to investing in the US stock market from Nigeria, Bamboo is my go-to application. The app is straightforward to use and easy to understand. Company shares like Meta, Tesla, and even Microsoft and Apple can be purchased using Bamboo. I have made a video in the past on how to use Bamboo to buy shares. You can click on the card above to go watch it. Now, apart from investing in the US stock market with Bamboo, you can also invest in a fixed income and get around 4.90% return on your investment. Bamboo is an application I personally use and will recommend to anyone 100%. Finally, my number one investment app on this list is Trove. Trove allows you to invest in the Nigerian and US stock market from the comfort of your home. Personally, when it comes to investing in the Nigerian stock market specifically, I make use of the Trove application. I actually do have a video where I document investing 50,000 naira into the Nigerian stock market. You can click on the card above to go watch that video. It will walk you through step by step on everything you need to know to use the Trove application to invest in the stock market. If you have any questions, drop a comment. I'll be there to answer your questions. And if you would love to build a one-on-one relationship with me, then you can join my business and investing community. I'll be glad to have you there. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and see you on the next one. Deal.